Hello guys, welcome to K1 Take Care. Other post sended customer, very clever, a special delivery. This is what it should be. Don't look for the money, make sure you send it with a special delivery or DHL to be sure it's delivered to us safety, and we are send it back safety as well for you. So let's have a look what is in there, what we got today, and if you are able to repair it. Wow, this is amazing packaging. This is I have in 20 years never have a that like packaging before. It means the guy is very worried about his item in there. But let's open it and have a look. What is it and what is need to be done. This is proper. I don't know what is it. This is the oh my god. And with a towel. Yes, it's in there as well. Okay. And we got other oh my god. Guys, don't make it so hard. It's bending all inside. What is it, that one? How do I open it? I got afraid to open now. It's so much. I think this repair is not taking that much long. Instead to open this one. Okay, we got it. What is this? Okay, it's looking like a HDMI port. It need to be. It's a PS5 HDMI port. Oh, you are. This is the Facebook one, Nicole. Yeah, you got it. This one. Yeah, you told me something regarding Facebook. Someone sent it with the HDMI port from Facebook. Yeah, this is the PS5 port, and I think this is the old one. And he sent it the spare one as well. Of course, it's like that. You're paying much less, what actually is cost. So let's have a look. Also, he sent it his port as well. That is good. What we are going to do, we just replace the port, testing it, be 100% sure is everything work fine, and it looked like you have tried or someone tried to do it because it's completely messed up there. Let me change the camera to the microscope that you can see what I see. Okay. Okay, the cap is missing. It looks very scratchy, but doesn't matter really because the pad still is intact. So what I mean with that one, the ceramic cap missing here. This is not the issues. We can replace it, that one. It's not the end of word. We got scratch there. I need to measure this one. Have a look. Actually, it's cut it. You can see it still is a bit inside left. And so let them measure it. Have a look. It don't have any shortcut. It's not look like. However, it's better to stay in the safe side. So first do it in the ground. Alexa, stop. Nico, soll man so einmal aufhören zu spielen, bitte? Okay, there is little bit thing, but doesn't matter. There is as well. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look the other side. No, it's look okay. Okay, let's start to clean it up and clean the board and replace it with a new port. What he sent it as well is look okay. Yeah, perfect. There's nothing wrong with them. There's no any reason we should use ours one if his one is working. What is this one? This is the brand new one as well. Yeah, we are going to use this one anyway because this is the out, but I'm not sure what is that one is. What is them here? I'm not sure what is supposed to be that. But we keep it all. I don't think I'm going to send it all one back, but or maybe we send it back how he sent it to us. So let me cover it. Have a look. So it's not too much to say. Just to watch and enjoy the videos. Also, if in case you got some repair like that, you're more than welcome to contact us or go to k1techcare.com and let us know what you want to repair. We give the quotation. We got also collection as well. Book for collection to come pick up from yours if in case you don't have the access go to the or far away to go to the post office or send it to us. We have this service as well that we book it with DHL mainly or through a mail and come to yours and pick up from yours. Just what you have to do, you have to package together. I just seen here some of them thermal ones go around here. I should clean this one because that is not good. Okay, so let me quickly test this one as well. 100% sure is no shortcut on the board before I spend all the time on connecting it. No, it's all good. Let me just have a look quickly this one as well. And one more here. No, okay. Look good. Okay guys, it's not too much to say. Watch and enjoy. guys, it's finished. I hope you like my videos. What I have done last one, I have HDMI port socket here. You can buy them. It's not that expensive. And because I don't have the device to put it in there and test it, and this is the post service, it's very important tested that HDMI is connected to the. Basically, this is the function like a HDMI cable to the TV. What I have done, I have connected that one to the port and check the pin what is in the main board. It's got a connection with actually the HDMI. That is the connection is go through it, because what I say, I don't have a device to put it in there, and the customer just sended the board. Just a double be 100% sure it is working, because what I say, if you're sending it and without testing is not that good, that customers have to send it back again, and you know what I mean, it's not look good. However, I spend more time and get it one of them. All right, if I don't forget, I'll make a link, you can get them. But this is just a HDMI to connect it to them, to the pin, that you can easily test them. However, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Question, go to k1techcare.com/contact and try my best to help you. If you have a device you need to be repaired, macro soldering or anything like that, please contact us or go to the website www.k1techcare.com. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Take care guys. Thank you.